Welcome to Yuri's diary. 해리포터. The two men appeared out of nowhere, a few yards apart in the narrow moonlit lane. For a second they stood quiet still, one directed at each other's chest. Then, recognizing each other, they stood there once beneath their cloaks and started walking briskly in the same direction. "News?" asked the taller of the two. "The best," replied Severus Snape. The lane was bordered on the left by wild, low-growing brambles, on the right by a high, little manicured hedge. The men's long cloaks flapped around their ankles as they marched. "Thought I might be late," said Exley, his blunt features sliding in and out of sight as the branches of overhanging trees broke the moonlight. "It was a little trickier than I expected, but I hope he will be satisfied. You sound confident that your reception will be good?" Snape nodded, but did not elaborate. They turned right into a wide driveway that led up the lane. The high hedge curved with them, running off into the distance beyond the pair of impressive wrought-iron gates barring the men's way. Neither of them broke step. In silence, both raised their left arms in a kind of salute and passed straight through, as though the dark metal were smoke. The "you" hedges muffled the sound of the man's footsteps. There was a rustle somewhere to the right. Exley drew his wand again, pointing it over his companion's head, but the source of the noise proved to be nothing more than a pure white peacock, strutting majestically along the top of the hedge. He always did himself well, Lucius. Peacocks. Exley thrust his wand back under his cloak with a snort. A handsome manor house grew out of the darkness at the end of the straight drive, lights glinting in the diamond pane downstairs windows. Somewhere in the dark garden beyond the hedge a fountain was playing. Thank you for watching.
이번 정류소는 성남의 육교 한교박물관입니다. 다음 정류소는 SK 플래닛 한교 디지털 센터입니다.